What up, everyone? Phil back for Up to the Past. Gonna take a quick look at this here double pack I got at my local Walmart. It's some Hot Wheels Monster Trucks 1/64 scale. You got twin mill and Rodger Dodger there. We'll go ahead and get them open and I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Here they are out of the package. This one here is twin mill and that is Rodger Dodger. And I don't think these are actual real monster trucks. Best I could find out. If I'm wrong, somebody let me know. They're pretty cool looking, especially the Rodger Dodger. Here's twin mill. This is Hot Wheels on top of it. Got a maroon body with some blue on the windshield and blue on the frame. Front end and rear end there. Wheels are plastic, but the tires are rubber, of course. Got a little bit of axle movement, which is cool. They got that for bumpy area, bumpy road. If you're playing with them like a little kid probably would. Take a look at the Rodger Dodger here. Underneath. On the hood here, you got your big old intake and all that. Fire, flames going down. That's pretty cool looking. This is the one, this is the reason I bought the pack, was the look of this car. I'm guessing this is a Dodge, but I have no idea, to be honest. Anybody sees what kind of car make this is, let me know. Looks like maybe an old Dodge, but I figured that's why they call it Rodger Dodger. It's really cool. Just wanted to do a quick video. This is a pack I bought at Walmart last weekend, maybe, I want to say. Not too long ago. They're pretty neat little cars, though. Some more monster trucks to add to my little collection of monster trucks. Alright, everyone, I'll close out this video. I want to thank everyone who tunes in. This is Phil for Up to the Past. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll talk again soon.